Operation Clean Water. Therefore, as we have opportunity, let us do good to all people, especially those who belong to the family of believers. Galatians 6:10. Trinity United Church of Christ and our community partners are collecting unopened cases of water on behalf of the citizens of Flint, Michigan. Who have been exposed to contaminated water.
Trinity Covenant United Church of Christ, the Faith Community of St. Sabina, First Baptist Church, University Park, Greater Bethesda Missionary Baptist Church, University Church, Faith in Place, and McCormick Theological Seminary, and several other churches that have joined us that we don't currently have the names of, but have joined us in this effort to bring water.
All cases collected will be delivered to First Trinity Missionary Baptist Church and Holbrook Avenue Church of God in Flint, Michigan.